it is important to have a good product. You know, it really, really comes down to that. And also, a big thing is if a lot of you can start to think about, hey, I'm willing to put my face behind a brand. So when you do Facebook advertising, if you have your face behind your brand, and Annie spoke about this at length, that was her biggest turning point. You know, she had a post of her taking out the bin and just saying something really cool and running ads to it. You know, why people need to wear her cashmere scarf, and I think it was during lockdown, and it was great, right? So when it comes to Facebook advertising, what people are looking for, because they're on a social media platform, is they're actually looking to buy into you, right? So instead of putting kind of your face, instead of putting your product there, you can actually put your face on there, or you know, you can hold your product up. They want to see a face. That converts really, really well. Now, if you've done everything right in the beginning and you believe in your product and you're starting to get good reviews and you know you have a good product, there's no reason for you not to do that. I know it's a little bit scary at the start to put yourself out there, but by doing that, you're going to separate yourself from a lot of different products and a lot of different brands, and you're gonna be noticed, right? So having your face behind your brand when it comes to Facebook advertising is, I think for me, is very, very important. And I kind of really want to encourage all of you to start to think about, if I had my face behind a brand, you know, my product's going to be better. Because if you were putting your face behind a brand, and I said, look, it's compulsory from now on, I'm not going to work with you unless you have your face behind your brand, the way you're going to think about your product and go about it is going to be a completely different level, right? Because you got to make sure, okay, if my family are going to see this, if my friends are going to see this, I need to make sure I put out something that's really good, right? So coming from that mindset is a really big thing. And always when you're developing your product, when you're creating your brand, think about, okay, would I put my face behind it, right? So that's always an important thing. There are only a few key things that you need to learn in e-commerce before you really have great success. And that is, you know, having that foundation of a strong product, willing to put your face behind it, tell your story and why you created that particular product, and then reaching out to people in these different channels, right? So, and even working with a influencer, it is a little bit trickier to work with the influencer if your product is not right. So if they go to your website and they don't see your story, they don't see your photo there, and it just looks like you have a website and you're just trying to make sales and you don't really have why you created this product, it could be hard to find influencers, right? So for example, when we send our influencer our product or our website, we send it to the About Us page and she can read our story, she can see our photo, and you know, she can see exactly what we're doing because we believe in the product. We're actually trying to make a difference. So finding influencers can be harder if you're not willing to do that. Now, a lot of you probably have great products already, and I'd encourage you just put your face out there, put it on it. You know, it's completely fine to do that, right? I feel.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au, aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.